guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yvanna Brooke, and I'm back with a new video. And it's a review, but it's a little different. I lumped these two together because in my mind, they're very similar. I'm pretty sure they're owned by the same company. That's pretty much it. I think they're owned by the same company, which is totally fine. And they're A Beauty, which is Australian beauty. I didn't know that was a thing, but it is. It is, and we're here for it. So I'm gonna start with a thing that I love to start on a positive note, and then we're gonna move onward. So first things first, Coco and Eve, Like a Virgin. Let's see. This is a deep conditioning coconut and fig hair mask, and honey, 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 I can feel it. That sounds so good. Anyways, this I would show you inside, but there's just like stray hairs of mine. I killed this. I annihilated this mask. I love this mask. It's really, really good. It's better than I expected. It's like how I always think when it comes to hair products that aren't like, you know, like black owned or like, you just kind of assume it ain't for you. No, this is for us ladies. This is for all of us. This is good. The definition that this gives my hair is insane. It gives my hair like moisture for days. This is a proper hair mask. It's you will see a difference the first time you use it, which is why shortly after I used it every single time, because I just like it's good. It's really good. It's moisturizing. Leaves your hair soft, shiny, more manageable. The smell is really nice. And then I also have the towel. I'm not going to show it to you just because like I've washed it so many times already. Like it works just fine. And that's one thing I will tell you is the little towel turban that they have. I'll insert a picture. That's also baby, because like literally I went to bed, my hair soaking wet, something I hate to do. I was like, let me just try this little towel. Bro, my hair was like dry the next day, like dry and still like cute, like dry and still like moisturized. So I was really, really impressed. I honestly think they know what they're doing. I'm definitely going to have this again. This, I would say, I can't think of a lot of hair masks that are topping it that I've tried. The Pantene, we all know I love and is great at making your hair look good, but I mean, ingredients wise, this one is a little bit better. Yeah, I would say this is probably the best one that I have like an individual review on my channel. Yeah, it's this one, and it's so cute. Like I love that. This just gets me every time. As far as the brush that comes with it, I don't know if it comes with it. I got like a set. The brush, also another thing I'm not gonna pull out because it's just poorly. It's just not. It's just like a freebie little thing. Like it don't get it because you think it's gonna do anything for you, because it's just not. It's like awkward to hold, and like it's not my preferred way of brushing my hair. I also don't think it's good for curly hair. I think you're gonna end up like snapping some ends off. But the product itself, the towel, really good. Really, really good. The only complaint I have is I wish there was more. That's it. But I at first thought this packaging would be a little deceitful, like the bottom would be like really thick or something, but it is what you get. You get 7.2 fluid ounces. I just wish they made a bit bigger size, but the packaging isn't deceitful in that way. Just so you guys know. And next, so Coco and Eve, Sand and Sky. I'm pretty sure they're owned by the same company. So this is Sand and Sky. They're Australian emu apple bounce mask. Texture wise, one of the coolest masks I've ever tried. Well, luckily, that brings me to my next point. This did break me out. It's very rare for a mask to break me out, but this one did. I'm just not sure. There's nothing in the ingredients that I'm like, oh, that was it. You know what I mean? So I don't want to be like, oh, this is it, when I don't think that was totally it. But yeah, it goes on really, really cool. Of course, insert a little video. But it's honestly just like not for me. Once I break out, that's pretty much it. There's some not agreeing with me, which is great. I have tried their original mask, the pink clay mask. That one is baby. And that's why I was so excited about this one, because what mask was so good. It delivered everything it said it would do. You literally are poreless after. So looking forward to trying more from them. I think it's just that one product that just didn't agree with me. The breakout went away very quickly, just small white heads on my cheek. But once again, unfortunately, didn't work for me. But yeah, when it comes to these two brands though, I mean, so I've tried 3 things. 2 have been absolute hits and 1 that's a miss. So I'm still in it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm still with y'all. I'm still like fan, but yeah, just 1 product that didn't work. 1 that is quite amazing. If you're looking for a new hair mask, I would totally recommend it. And other than that, let me know if there's any other beauty I should try. I do think that Australia does come out with some of my favorite products, for sure. So I'd love to one day do like an beauty haul or like favorites. That would be super fun. So recommend anything down below that I should try. And other than that, I think that wraps up this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave me a like. If you liked me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on Instagram, Yvanna. And other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
See you tonight. Had me for a minute, expectations high, but a fuck nigga can't keep up his disguise. Why you tryna talk? Can't you see I'm tired? I don't need to hear you fucking testify. Always stay up late, argue through the night. Always think I'm wrong, always think you're right, but you can't tell me shit, that's just what it is.